Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G13 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. So to announce caller's ID name, just open phone application. And now click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen, click settings, scroll down, find here caller ID announcement, and click announce caller ID, and here you can you need to set one of these settings: always announce or announce only when using a headset. I suggest you this feature if you're using headsets, and great caller ID announcement was enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.